So finally done. There it is right there. Came out smoother than glass. Obviously this came out pretty bad, but yeah, the clear coat's kind of like chipping already because it's hot today, so expansion, contraction, and yeah, like these two panels are gonna move. So that silicone, especially with the chassis flexing and everything, it's basically two different panels doing two different things. So in there is still gonna be a pretty you know, a joint that's gonna be moving. That came out super nice. This is a little bit darker because this right here is the original, and this is 20 years of basically baked paint, and this is just brand new right there. But yeah, it's still giving off, you know, some fumes. So once that dies down, I'm gonna be putting a nice little coat of wax, and I also have to wax this too because this is like still pretty unprotected, but the car doesn't see a lot of sun anyways. Probably the only thing that was kind of like, holy crap, I totally forgot at the end, I painted this when I resprayed, and I touched up a little bit right here. I forgot to cover that and I accidentally sprayed it, but it's okay. But yeah, but overall pretty nice. There's a little bit extra clear coat right there, and that's not too bad. I could always level that off in the future, and that imperfection there, and there's another imperfection right there. But besides that, it looks pretty dang clean. Very, very happy. But yeah, guys, so that's gonna be the little video, and hope you like this. If you could do it, I can do it. I did this with a basic rattle can, and I got pretty much you know, professional results using you know, a rattle can spray bomb. But remember, you are gonna put up with some crap because the cans don't go you know, horizontal. I mean yeah, horizontal. They only go like vertical, and once you start tilting that can, it's just gonna start spitting. And high metallics, you could make or break, absolutely break your paint job, because metallics have to lay down nice. And yeah, if it's just like a black or just like a white, you can get away with it and just pound the clear and do this. But I kind of lucked out that it actually looks this good too. So yeah, so all right guys, it's gonna be the little video. If you like this video, please subscribe and comment, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.